Hi guys, what's up? This is Maahek Nair from Body Pro Coach Nutrition. Today we are going to be doing an easy, simple vegetarian salad. So for all you vegetarian people, a quick and easy salad. Let's see the recipe. Cauliflower tabbouleh. I have 2 cups of cauliflower grated. I have also steamed it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. 2 whole lime, black pepper powder, mint leaves, chopped tomato, coriander leaves or parsley, spring onion, Himalayan salt, olive oil. In a mixing bowl, first we're going to add 2 cups of cauliflower. It's a super easy recipe, super quick and highly delicious. Pink salt, black pepper powder, spring onion, chopped coriander, chopped tomatoes, fresh chopped mint, 2 whole lime, and lastly 2 tablespoons. Now we gotta mix the same, give it a nice whip. And our fresh cauliflower tabbouleh salad is कट करके बाद में एंड में दिखा दे ऊपर से ड्रेसिंग के साथ ऐसा So super easy cauliflower salad is ready. It's easy, simple, really quick, really low in calorie, really refreshing because we have loaded this with tomatoes, mint. That means it's going to be really refreshing, going to make you feel extremely light. So please try our recipe. Hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek's core pilates and train to look good. That means everything you require about fitness on one platform. That's Body Pro Coach. Thank you so much. This is Maahek signing you off and I'm going to see you really back soon.